So children, today we are going to discuss probability. Okay, only basics, all basics I will say. I will not say any sums children. Today I will say basics that will be useful for your 8th class, 9th class and 10th class, and also in intermediate also it will be useful children. Very important basics. First, what is meant by probability? Probability is number of times event has occurred, number of times event has occurred by total number of events. Actually, it's 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, this is the easiest class. Number of times event has occurred by total number of events. Okay, children? Like suppose, simple example I'll give. Two white balls are there, three green balls are there, four yellow balls are there. Someone will ask you, what is the probability of in a sack? It is there in a bag. In a bag, you don't know which ball is what color. Someone will you ask it pick randomly white ball. What is the probability of white ball? This is the question they will ask. What is the probability of you picking up a white ball from the sack without seeing? Without seeing, they'll ask you to pick up white ball. What is the probability? There are two white balls. Number of even. Total 2 plus 3 plus 4 is how much? 9. 2 by 9 is the probability of picking up of a white ball. That's all. That is the answer. Someone will ask you, what is the probability of green ball picking up of a green ball? What is the answer, children? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir,
3.
that is 1 by 3.
3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Can anyone say what is the probability of yellow ball?
4 by 9.
4 by 9. Probability of yellow ball is 4 by 9. Probability of yellow ball is how much, children? 4 by 9. Okay, mute your devices now. So children, like these questions will come. Suppose someone will toss a coin. Coin will have two ends, children. One end toss, other end is one end is tail, other end is head. Okay, children. One end is tail, other one is head. What is the probability of tail? Someone will ask, what is the probability of tail?
1 by 2.
1 out of 2.
2%.
What is the probability of head? 1 out of
1 by
like this, children. Like this, easy questions will be there, children. In fact, the most easiest lesson in probability in 8th, 9th, 10th, but as you go up, children, in intermediate and all those things, difficult questions also will be there. If chances there, I will let you know that also. But today we are only going to discuss about the basics, children. What are the basic things you should know in probability lesson? Okay, number one, children. Number one, if you want to study about the probability, you should know some basic things, children. What are the basic things? Number one, you should know about cards. Okay, you should know about the playing cards, children. You know all of it cards, children. Okay, before that, remember, children, probability always lies between 0 and 1. That's all. If someone says the probability is 1.2, slap them. It is not possible. Between 0 and 1, either between 0 and 1 only probability is present. That's all. Beyond 1 and below 0, minus 1 probability, if someone says, slap them again. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, probability always lies between 0 and 1. Number one. And probability of all events, probability 100 events it may be, 200 events it may be, 1000 events may be, probability of all events will be 1. Sum of all probabilities will be equal to 1. Okay, children. So I told you, two white balls, three green balls, four yellow balls are there. No. What is the probability of white ball, children? 2 by 9. What is the probability of green ball? 3 by 9. What is the probability of yellow ball? 4 by 9. Add all of them. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 by 9, 1. Sum of all probabilities is equal to always 1. Okay. And probability of an event plus probability of not event, it will be always equal to 1. Someone will say, probability of occurring of an event is 0.21. What is the probability of not occurring an event? They will ask someone. Probability of event is 0.21. What is the probability of no event means?
Sir, 1.9.
From 1 minus 0.21, you should do that.
0.79, sir.
Yeah. Suppose probability of heads is how much? 1 by 2. Probability of tails is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, how much? 1. Let maybe 1000 probabilities are there, but sum of all probabilities will be equal to 1. And probability of event plus probability of no event will be equal to 1. This is also important formula. Please keep writing, children. Keep writing. Don't sit idle. Okay. Keep writing. Keep writing, children. This formula, probability lies between 0 and 1. Probability of event plus no event is 1. Right now. Now, children, in probability, some of the important terminology you should learn. Number one, we'll learn about cars, playing cards. I hope everyone of you know cars are there, children. In cars, there are 52 cards will be there, children. 52 cards. In 52 cards, 26 red cards will be there. 26 black cards will be there. I hope everyone of you know that. In 26 red again, 13 diamonds will be there, children. 13 diamond cards, means diamond shape. 13 heart shaped cards will be there, children. And in black cards, children, 13 clubs will be there, children. 13 spades will be there, children. Spades. Okay, if possible, I will show you tomorrow pictures. Okay. Yeah. So, children, diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades. In every 13 pack, children, you'll be having 2 number card, 3 number card, 4 number card, 5 number card. Sorry. In every 13 pack, you'll be having one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, and 2 number card, 3 number card, 4 number card, 5 number card, 6 number card, 7 number card, 8 number card, 9 number card, 10 number card. In every pack, it is same, children. Again, here also same. In hearts also same. King, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10 number cards. Again, here also same. King, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10 cards. Again, here also same, children. King, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10 number cards. King, queen, jack are called, because figures will be there, face cards. What they are called? Face cards. Because picture will be there, children, on the card. Picture will be there. King, queen, jack. They are called face cards. Ace is called ace. Ace means letter will be there, children. Instead of this, will be having picture. They are called picture cards or face cards. This is called letter card, children. Letter card. And 2 to 10 number cards are called number cards. 2 to 10 number cards are called number cards. You should remember, children. It will be helpful for your 9th class, 10th class also. And also in intermediate, children. I'm not asking you to play this game, children. I'm just asking you to remember. And if possible, please check the cards. If you are there in your house, you please check the cards also, children, if it is possible. So, children, 26 red, 26 black, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts in red, 13 clubs, 13 spades in black. Okay, every 13 pack will have one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, 2 to 10 number cards. King, queen, jack are called face cards. Ace is called letter card. 2 to 10 number cards. 2 number card, 3 number card means on card 2 will be there. On one card, 3 number will be there. So 2 to 10 are called number cards. Sometimes they'll ask question like this, children. Can anyone say? What is the probability of picking up of a diamond from set of cards?
Sir, 4 by 52, sir.
What is the probability of picking up of diamonds? Anyone?
13 by 52, sir.
Very good. 13 by 52. 13 cards are there out of 52 cards. So 1 by 4. Can anyone say what is the probability of picking up of a red card?
Sir, 26 by 52.
26
1
by
by
52. That is 1 by 2. Can anyone say what is the probability of picking up of a face card?
Sir, 3 by 52, sir.
Face card. Here 3 are there, here 3, here 3, here 3 are there, children. 3, 3, 3, 3. 12 by 52. 12 by 52. So 2 6 are 2, 26 are 2, 3 are 2, 13 are 3 by 5. Can anyone say what is the probability of a letter card?
Sir, 4 by 52.
Here one letter card, here one letter card, here one letter card, here 4 by 52, that is 1 by 13. What is the probability of number cards? Picking up of a number card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Sir,
7,
36
8,
by
9.
52, sir.
9 4s are 36. 36 by 52. Simplify and write answer. Can anyone say what is the probability of a black queen?
Sir, 2 by 52. 1 by 26.
2 by 50. Here one queen, here one queen. 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. What is the probability of king? Only king.
Sir, 4 by 52.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 52, that is 1 by 50. So if you know these numbers only, you can answer these questions. That is what I want to say. Please note down this chart, children. If you note down this chart, then I will say one more, children. I hope you people understood cards. You have to understand, children. Cards are very important. Please copy this cards, children, fast. 10 seconds I'm giving time to copy. Then I will go to other one, children. Please mute your audio. Someone mute your audio device. Mute your devices. Mute your devices. Okay, children. After this, then I will say tossing of the coin. Tossing of the coin. Children. After this, I will say tossing of the coin. Children, very, very nice one, children. Very interesting topic. All of you listen, please carefully. Suppose if you, the formula is 2 to the power of n is the formula, children. 2 to the power of n. Suppose if I toss one coin, what you will get, children? Either head or tails. How many probabilities you got? 2 probabilities. 2 to the power of n is the formula. One coin I toss, no, children, one coin. 1. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2. What are the 2 probabilities? Either heads or tails. Over, children. This is one coin. 2 coins. If you toss 2 coins, 2 to the power of n is the formula. 2 to the power of 2. 4 probabilities will be there, children. It may be tails, tails. It may be tails, heads. It may be heads, tails. It may be heads, heads. 4 probabilities. You should understand, children. Suppose if you toss 3 coins, I hope everyone are understanding and you're copying. It's very important. You should write this. 2 to the power of 3, 8 probabilities will be there. 8 means 4 means easy, no, children, but 8 means there is an easy method to identify 8 probabilities. I will say listen. 3, 3, no, children, like this. Please listen. Just listen. All of it. T, 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 H, Ch, Ch, Ch. 4 times, 4 times. Now, T, T, H, Ch. T, T, H, Ch. 2 times, 2 times. Now, one time, one time. T, H, T, H. T, H, T, H. See, all probabilities have come. Easy method to write, children, because we can't imagine all the probabilities. No, it's easy method. Then 4 coins, how, sir, you may ask. Very easy. 2 to the power of 4. 16 probabilities will come, children. 16 probabilities. And I'm writing all of you, see, children. 8 times tails. 4, 5, 6. 8 times tails. 8 times heads. Please see, children, all of you. Everyone should see, children. Now 8, 8, oh, no, 4, 4. T, 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 T. H, Ch, Ch, Ch. T, 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 T. H, Ch, Ch, Ch. Now 2 times. 8 times, 8 times. 4 times, 4 times. 2 times. T, T, H, Ch. T, T, H, Ch. T, T, H, Ch. T, T, H, H. Now one time alternately, children. 4 coins, no, children, that's it, 4 times. So T, H, 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 T, H. 16 probabilities. You need not to remember, children, just easy method. Here 8 times are there, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. Here 16 times, 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, next time you will get 32, 2 to the power of 5, 32. Then what you will do? First you will do 16, 16. Then you will put 8, 8. Then you will put 4, 4. Then you will put 2, 2. Then you will put 1, 1. Simple, children. It's fun. Maths is a fun, children. This is about coins, children. This is about tossing of the coins. Please copy down all of it. I hope you people are copying. Fast copy down, children. If you copy, then I'll go to the next topic, children. Please copy down fast. Yeah, children. Now, after coins are over, children. So, children, no coins are, see, coins are over, cards are over, children. Now, years, children, year. Normally in a year, children, there are 365 days if it is normal year, and there are 366 days if it is a leap year. Right on extension. Every 1 week will have 7 days, whether it is leap year or normal year. Divide with 7 days. Divide with 7 days. So if you see how many weeks will come in a year, you will understand. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 1. So children, 52 complete weeks will be there, children. 52 complete weeks will be there. One extra day will be there. That is called odd day. One odd day will be there. After 52 weeks are over, one day will come, children. That one day can be anything. That one day can be Monday, that one day can be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It can be anything. They'll ask, what is the probability of getting Monday in normal year? 1 out of 7. What is the probability of getting Tuesday? 1 out of 7. Because only one day is left over, no children. One odd day is left over. So that one can be anything. What is the probability of getting a Wednesday? 1 of 7. Probability of Thursday? 1 of 7. Probability of Friday? 1 of 7. Anything. This one day can be anything. This one day can be anything. This one day can be anything. I hope you people are able to understand. Now here you see, children. 7, 366. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. Here 2 odd days are left over, children. Means after 52 weeks are over, children. See, try to understand. After 52 complete weeks are over, try to understand. After 52 complete weeks are over, 2 days are left, children. 2 days. The 2 days can be Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday. It can be anything. So, what is the probability of Monday? Monday is coming. Please listen. Please listen. Monday is coming 2 times, so 2 by 7. What is the probability of Tuesday? Tuesday also coming 2 times, 2 by 7. What is the probability of Wednesday? 2 by 7. What is the probability of Friday? Anything is 2 by 7 will be. In normal year, the probability of after 52 days, 1 day is left over. That 1 day can be anything. Here, after 52 weeks, 2 days are left over. The 2 days can be Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So probability of Monday means 2 by 7. Probability of Tuesday means 2 by 7. Like that you should say. And last topic, children. I hope everyone is copying, children. Please copy. Then one more topic is there, children. Then dice. Dice. You know all of you dice. You'll be playing Ludo game means a dice. You'll keep no children. Dice, dice. I hope everyone know what is a die. Last topic, children. If you understand these topics, all of you please write down three times each topic and send as homework, children. Children, if one dice is thrown, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. If one dice is thrown, they will ask, what is the probability of even numbers? Anyone?
Sir,
1 by 6.
3
by 6.
3 by
1 by
6. That is 1 by 2. What is the probability of odd numbers?
3 by 6, 1 by 2.
3 by
1 by
6,
2.
1 by 2. What is the probability of prime numbers?
Sir, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, sir.
3 by 6, 1 by 2. What is the probability of number less than 5?
Sir, 4 by 6, 2 by, 2 by 3.
2 by 3. So, number less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this questions come. Children, one dice means it is very easy, children. Anyone can answer. One dice means anyone can answer, children. Problem comes when 2 dice are there. 2 dice, children. And 2 dice are there. How it will come when 2 dice are there, children? Then the problem arises. Problem means a big one, children. 2 dice means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be 1, 1 on the 2 dice. One can be 1, one can be another 1, 1. It can be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1 6. Okay, children? Or it can be 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6. Like this many 36 events are coming, children. 36 events are coming. Then you should be careful, children. When you're answering, you should be very, very careful when you're answering. I hope you people are able to understand. Any combination can form, no, children. When you're throwing a dice, any combination can come. So, what are the questions possible in this? First question: what is the probability of getting a duplet? What is the probability of getting a duplet?
Sir, 6 by 36, sir. 1 by 6.
Very good. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. 6 by 36, 1 by 6 is the duplet. Okay. What is the probability of getting a consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers.
1 by 6, sir.
1 by 6, sir.
Listen, children, all of you. 1 2, 2 3, 3 4, 4 5, 5 6. This is also correct. Or 2 1, 2 3, 4 3, 4 5, 4 5. This is also correct. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 by 36. That is 2 5s are 2 18s are 5 by 18. Probability of getting a consecutive numbers like this. What is the probability of getting a sum 8? Sum 8. Total should be 8. How many times 8 will come? How many times 8 will come, children? Here 8 will come. Here 8 will come. 3, 4,
Sir, 5 by
5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 3, 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 36. What is the probability of getting 12? Sum 12.
Sir, 1 by 36.
Only one time you will get, children. 1 by 36. Like these questions can come, children. If it is a 2 days question. 2 days question. All of you please copy that, children. Please copy it. I hope you people are copying.
Is there anything like 3 days question?
No. 3 days question won't come. You can make it, but it will be very, very bigger one. In higher classes, if you want, we'll show. Okay, children. So, all of you do each one 3 times, children, and show me as homework. Okay, children. These all topics are very, very important for 8th, 9th, and 10th.